Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my this video. So in this video we'll learn some complex sentence which is very important for us. So let's begin. At first, I am a good boy. It is a simple sentence, so we will make this sentence and we will turn into this sentence as a complex sentence. I am a good boy. I'm a boy who is good. আমি একটা ছেলে যে ভালো. So she is a beautiful girl. সে একটা সুন্দর মেয়ে. So we will turn into a complex sentence. She is a girl who is very beautiful. So then we can make many sentences. I saw a boy who was very beautiful. আমি একটা ছেলেকে দিয়েছিলাম, সে ছিল খুবই সুন্দর. I have saw the boy who was dancing. আমি একটা ছেলেকে দিয়েছিলাম, সে নাচতেছিল. My father was so beautiful that I can't express with my language. আমার বাবা এতই সুন্দর যে তা আমি আমার ভাষায় প্রকাশ করতে পারবো না. I went to market so that I could buy a book. আমি মার্কেটে গিয়েছিলাম যাতে আমি একটা বই কিনতে পারি. So I'm making this video so that I can earn money. আমি এই ভিডিও বানাইতেছি যাতে আমি টাকা উপার্জন করতে পারি. Though this is not my purpose, I am making this video so that I can improve my English speaking, and after hearing this video I can improve my listening power also. So thank you for watching my video. That's it, and we have learned some new sentences from here. Assalamu alaikum.